What's going on, everybody? Russell here, aka your favorite medic. So today, it's actually not too bad out. It's about 50-some degrees. Starting to feel a little bit like spring. We're supposed to be in the 70s by Friday, so hopefully some cool stuff come up. We have the Pittsburgh car scene meet coming up on Thursday that we're probably going to be taking Ben's truck to, maybe if I can convince him to drive in the city. He doesn't like driving in the city. But right now I'm headed up to the one shop to go pick up our forged pistons and sleeves and rods and everything, all the good stuff that came in, and take them up to the machine shop. And I'm hoping and praying that our guy is going to be able to do this, because we kind of just jumped this or dumped this on him today that we got sleeves too. So go have a chat with him. We'll see what the pistons and rods and sleeves look like. I'll maybe just pull one out of the box for you guys here once I get up there. And I think we're gonna go up and check out HQ a little bit too. Meaning Ben and Dave up there a little bit later. They got a new toy that they're up there messing around with. But all right, I'll see you guys up there.
Don't feel I have one. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal.
Alright guys, just made it up here. I'm gonna run inside real quick and grab this stuff. And I wanted to show you guys something here. So this is the parking lot that the meet's gonna be held at, which it goes the whole way over there. You guys just saw me drive in, but plenty of room for cars, plenty of room for shenanigans, so it should be a good time. Again, link in the description below of the Facebook event. Give me a like, or let me know if you guys are gonna come, or if you're not, or if you're interested. Big help. But all right, let me go grab these parts real quick. Alright guys, so let me break these out for you real quick. I'm going to do this unboxing type deal right now because I'm actually taking these up to the machine shop right now, so I'm not going to have much time with them, unfortunately. So we're going to see if I can... come on! I'd like to be able to show you guys these real quick. I'm not going to move the camera because it was really hard for me just to get that to work. Now Ben has already had these open because he was checking them out. So these are... what kind are these? CP Carlo high performance pistons? Carlo? I don't know. Ben ordered them up. Damn. Wow. That's pretty nuts. These things are light. But there's that. Like I said, I'm on my way up to the machine shop to go talk to this guy. Now, what sucks is this guy's not like a Honda S2000 guru. I mean, obviously, there's not too many Honda S2000 gurus in Western Pennsylvania, but damn! These are the sleeves here. Nice quality. Who are these by? Like I said, Ben ordered all this stuff up, so I have no idea. Darton sleeves. Well, hopefully we can convince this guy to do this. He said he sleeved engines before, but he's gonna take a look at it, take a look at the block, and see if he can do it. So I'm gonna go do that. So cut to the next scene. Alright guys, so bad news. The guy at the machine shop said he didn't really want to dive deep into something that he wasn't comfortable with doing, which is fine. I really appreciate him not just saying he could do something just to make some money and then screw up our engine, you know? So, unfortunately now I have the block back in my car, and we're gonna find somebody that can get this work done for us. The sooner the better. So if anybody knows of anywhere that could hook us up, drop me a comment, let me know. But right now, there it is back there. Right now I'm up to headquarters. We're gonna be working on some stuff for the spring kickoff meet, and I got a little bit of a surprise to show you guys. A couple surprises actually, and yeah. So see you up at the shop. Let's see what these guys are up to. Man, got that truck in here. Wow. Oh, there's room for activities. Man, I think that could probably polish right out.
Yeah. Well, I only knew a detail now.
Man, that's really scratched. It's like really deep, weird scratches. Like that's down to like the metal. Maybe not.
I think the previous owner owned a tiger. Baby tiger used to sit on the hood.
A tiger.
Baby one.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Man.
What do you call those things, like lemurs or something?
We should do a review on this thing.
You shooting in 60 FPS?
I always do, guy. Man, how's the old balancing life going? Damn. Gotta tell the people we're now mountain and balancing guys.
Well, we hit 3,000 subs and now he's
YouTube.
Yeah. Woo.
YouTube. Guys rock.
So, man, I'm just I'm excited just to kick it here on the tailgate and freaking relax. It's almost like you don't even need chairs now.
No. Chair-free zone, man.
Damn.
Thanks, guys. Shop that. Now, why would you do that?
Yeah, that guy was frazzled.
Was he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, he was a really cool guy. I mean,
You keep saying that.
Yeah,
you'd have to meet him. He was just a really cool guy. I don't know. How about he told me Mercer's not running races this year?
Really?
Guy said, freak that. Not running races this year. Man. Damn.
Hit that new blackout burger today.
How'd that go?
He was good on one side and then put a bunch of weight on the other and blew himself all out of balance now.
That's crazy how sensitive that thing is. It can just read where you're at. You guys make any moves lately?
Yeah.
You hit that drift simulator lately?
No, I haven't.
We need to get that e-brake hooked up.
You guys gotta do something for that event coming up so that people actually...
Well, yeah, that's what I was saying. We need to make like a little half flyer or something. Start leaving around like gas stations and stuff.
Yeah.
Like
Auto
truck stop
parts store,
bathrooms, I'd be down.
You know?
Well, there's people that'll come that's like not even into the YouTubes just for a car show, you know?
Oh yeah. I mean, you know.
What I was thinking is make like t-shirts that are like specific to that event. Like kickoff
that's
meet.
weekend, right?
Kickoff meet. It's like, what, 11 days?
Yeah, you better get going.
You're gonna fire that up right now. What are your neighbors gonna say? I don't know if you're authorized to do that. You can probably hide in this stack of tires here. He's just gonna get so ignorant with it for no reason.
What do you mean?
That's what you're gonna do right now.
Yeah, I'm just making sure it's still running.
Sure.
Before I put it in the C10.
Oh yeah. Probably suck trying to rip it out of there again. You can just always put it right back whenever you're done, you know. That's what I would say.
My granddad sitting on a milk cart. I think I might be out of gas. You spanked ass. I think it's out of gas.
Did you lock up?
He's out of gas. He was running too sweet before then.
Man.
Gas.
Yeah.
It was running perfectly fine and then just all of a sudden stopped.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened to me. We are back at the apartment. Made it back in one piece, thankfully. Just wanted to wrap this video up and let you guys know kind of what's going on. So today when I took the block to the machine shop that I went to works with V8s and just muscle cars and small block Chevys and diesel motors. Just local guy that's a really cool guy, but just doesn't specialize in aluminum block F20Cs. Now, with everything that's gone into this motor and all the money already and everything, we decided to kind of just bite the bullet, and I'm gonna be taking it down to a place in Virginia. Hopefully on Thursday, hopefully I work tomorrow 24 hours. Hopefully my shift goes okay, that I can drive down to Virginia, which is gonna be about a 5-hour drive, to a place called Inline, I think it's called Inline Pro Motorsports, something like that. I'd have to check just to make sure. But it's gonna be going down there. It's gonna be about $2,000 to have everything done, which this build is just getting so expensive. We got the pistons like you guys saw, we got the sleeves like you guys saw. The cool thing though is once this is all said and done, the thing's gonna probably be putting down like 800 horsepower, and which is just insanity. I'm planning on making a video for you guys on Thursday, documenting the drive down. If anybody is on the way or down there, let me know, drop me a comment. Not too much else going on, not too much progress on anything else. You guys saw that sweet new tire changer machine that we got, tire mounter and balancer, which is pretty cool. But you guys also saw the where we're gonna have the spring meetup at. Again, link in the description for the Facebook event if you guys are gonna come. I'd really appreciate it if you just gave me a going or not going or an interested, just so I can get an accurate head count. That's only 10 days away, so I'm pretty excited. The weather's starting to pick up, starting to get a little bit better. It's supposed to be in the 70s this weekend. I cannot wait to get this car cleaned. I'm really excited that I need to think about starting to get some wheels and tires for it and everything that I've been talking about. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this real quick video. It sucks that the block's not gonna be able to be done for one. I'm gonna miss the Pittsburgh car scene meet on Thursday because I'm gonna be gone unless I can come back. It depends what time I get back. I might be able to swing by. They say it's about a 2-week turnaround to get the block back once I get it, which isn't that bad. The other place I was looking at was in California, which it would take a week to ship out. Then their lead time is 3 to 4 weeks, and then a week to ship back, which is just way too long. So hopefully we can get them down to these guys. They can get everything taken care of. We can get the motor back together and get the Honda rocking and rolling. It's not gonna be done for the meetup, which sucks, but we're gonna be doing, based on how this meetup goes, we might do like a monthly meetup, whatever you're gonna call it, see, just to see how much turnout we're getting, how much people are actually interested in doing it, so. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.